update I pushed out, and it has up alerts now for the end caps. So when they bounce off end caps, you can come to your screen, and we're blowing through this one right here. It looks like we found some pretty good support right in here. Unless they're going to come get into these imbalances. We have this right here you need to pay attention to. Here's our orb. Here's our bot. I don't think I want to trust that again today. Unless this is, I mean, we are just kind of we're in sideways here. What's that thing called? We're being taught. I want that on this one too. Why happened to me? It just literally. Oh, crap. I gotta set this up on it. It's really. There we go. It's not understanding that it's. There we go. We are still in our orb here, and we are bouncing off of this 45-minute end cap. It looks like it's gonna blow through it, come down. These ones down here, we could just get a nice entry to that short and just target like 18,250 or something. That would be ideal. We are below a lot of stuff. I'm gonna turn off 45 minutes for now because I can see that we're there. We got 2 minutes on our orb here. Oh, where sometimes we can view. It is not so smart. This just keeps, if this pushes, this is going to the high. At least up here. I don't know about all that. Like, you're pretty bearish. Where's the high a day? Way up. London's high is way up there. We've already blown through Asia's low and London low. Well, London lows we just respected. Right here. That's London's low. We wicked it. We did wick it. And that is pretty strong. Yeah.
My favorite prop firms is Blue Sky. Why? Daily payouts, Monday through Friday, brokerage account. When you pass an eval, you go into a brokered account. This is not SIN funding. You can request a payout Monday through Friday. Minimum payouts are $250. So you have to have at least $250 over your starting balance, and you can collect a payout every single day. Guess what? No activation fee when you pass this eval. You are getting the best deal on the planet if you use Breakout Hunter as your coupon code. One of my favorite prop firms is Blue Sky. Why? Daily payouts, Monday through Friday, brokerage account. When you pass an eval, You go into a brokered account. This is not SIM funding. You can request a payout Monday through Friday. Minimum payouts are $250. So you have to have at least $250 over your starting balance, and you can collect a payout every single day. Guess what? No activation fee when you pass this eval. You are getting the best deal on the planet if you use Breakout Hunter as your coupon
bounce
code.
off the low and push.
One of my favorite prop firms is Blue Sky. Why? Daily payouts, wicks, Monday through Friday. Brokerage account. When you pass an eval, you go into a brokered account. This is not SIM funding. You can request.
Serious rejection right there. Serious. Siri thinks I'm trying to talk to her.
Morning.
Morning, Sabrine. What's going on?
Not too much.
I did not. Yeah, it's Friday. I did not take the 945 bot trade. It hasn't even tried yet. Wait, is this the right one? Oh yeah, I'm on the wrong thing. I don't know why. Actually, it just took along. It just took along, so the bots are buying. And it's over this support and it's pushing. It's probably gonna win. Where'd it go? Yeah. Oh yeah. This should win. This should already win right now, and you got counts. Morton, how's yours doing? Is it winning? Of course, he's muted right when the trade's going. D-Rad, how's yours? Are you winning? You winning on your bot trade, man? You should be. You should already hit take profit 100 ticks. You got to open at 786. We'll go to regular candles. And we'll see. Wonder, yeah, oh yeah, you won that. That's already over with. E-Rad says it won. Woohoo! There you go. Maybe we're back in business on the bot. This week's been horrible. Maybe I'll start manually trading it. Maybe. I would expect some basement here. Looking for a, you saw this, I was looking for a bear flag, but maybe this is going to be it right here. I don't know, man. Oh, look at even if you use the bots trigger, it closed. Man, that got more than 100 ticks. You'd have done it that way, but don't do it that way because that is not the right way. Run into some serious problems. This thing right here, if we set it to 20-1, it would have been awesome, but it's starting to win again too. Win. This one lost. Win. Short. Oh, it closed because a new day started, but it still won. Bought one, yay. Woohoo. It was quick too. Oh yeah. The way we like it. The way we like it. So for some reason, the crush trade stuff is having issues working with the prop firm. So I tried it with the sim account and it actually does exactly what it's supposed to do. So I'm trading up the sim again and then copying my accounts, but I'm using the risk management on the sim account in cross trade and it's working. So pretty slick. And they know about it and they're looking into it. That's why they were asking, is it trade of 8 or rhythmic data? But if you lead with your sims and you set your risk management on your sim, all your other accounts will follow that risk management. So that is a plus. And I have tested that and made sure that that was the case. We're this is not a safe place for anything right now. Like, I mean, look at this. Is it going to blow through it? We're getting rejections of the zones, pushing down. The only other target we have is like way down here if this does drop. You think they're going to rug pull everybody after yesterday? I mean, it's possible. Pump and dump. Give us a trade, please. Going out in the orb. Oh, there we go. Here we go. How many ticks is this? 250, 125 risk. Hmm. We playing them games still. Number ticks is that for real? It's about a 250 risk. Mhm. They're really trying right here, aren't they? Trying pretty hard. Trying pretty hard. big drop. That is a very big drop. I knew it. I knew it. Oh man, look at that 200 tick rejection right there on the drop. Yeah, let's see if we can't get a flag out of this or something.
Order filled.
$253.
Order filled.
Oh damn, TP was hit. I didn't mean to. Shit, I was gonna drop it some more to 253. All right, we'll have to wait on some kind of pullback or something. I'm not gonna just slam this bottom. It hit 200 ticks instantly. Wow. Okay. That was trade copied, so I was trying to get into the break though, all the way down. Let me see if we can't get another decent little pull. Wait, I lost my target. What is it? Like around here somewhere. It is. $253. Go. Retesting. What is that right there? Is that the power? That's the 2 hour. 2 hours breaking up below the 45, which is kind of uncommon. This might just be a big grab. We did just grab a 200 ticks out of it. Okay. Nice. Good rejection on the orb. Beacon line is still green now. See that? Don't really want to play with it. $253. Big copier's got that last trade, right? It worked. Everything was fine. Right. Right. Oh, sorry, Danny. We're not done yet, man. I'm trying to catch the run today. I think we're gonna run. So I'm entering on MNQs and I'm trying to catch the run. That's my goal. I want to catch like a 1,000 tick drop. I think we're coming down to at least that zone, 253 zone. If we do catch the run, I'm going to be adding in like a degenerate, by the way. I'm letting you know. We just clicking buttons on its drop. Okay, this is starting to look up. Oh, look at that rejection though. Good night. Oof. Maybe it is a liquidity sweep. Maybe we are going to push up. You never know. You never know with these fookers. We do have some more news coming in today. It says it's not red folder, but I mean, federal budget balance. I mean, that's kind of big news, I think. I would think 30-year bond auctions at 1 o'clock. We don't want to be in a trade at 1 o'clock, okay? 1 o'clock. You not want to be in a trade. We got some FOMC members speaking at noon, and we got natural gas coming out at 10:30. So all right, so we're retesting the London's low day right now, and there we go. So if we get a break over the 45 and a rejection, it's more than likely going bullish. Well, I'm still liking the shorts. Still liking the shorts. That is a good rejection right there. It is short on all the things. Short, short, short. bastard. 253-ish. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See that? See what they do to us, man? See that right there? They trying hard. They trying hard. Ooh, man, I'm gonna buy the hell out of this. But I was telling me I should wait a minute. Mm-hmm. Crazy. This is super crazy. Waiting on a break. Waiting on a break. Give me the break. Give me the break. Sure, maybe that's it. Maybe that's the break. Could be. Guys, please follow my Facebook page so that I can have 100. I need 100 followers so that I can start live streaming to it. Okay. It's looking pretty interesting right there. What are you going to do now? Tried to trick us again, huh? Tried to trick us again. I don't think they're trying to trick us anymore.
Order
Finish
filled.
entering that. Do 253.25. Close enough. Let's go, baby. Change. Ranger. Come on. Just you drop. Don't you do nothing stupid. Keep on getting it. Here's to getting on stupid shit. Come on. Nah, this is going. This is dropping. Get down. Here we go with the stupid shit, man. And here we go with the stupid shit. Hey, there's nothing I can do about this, guys. There's nothing that you can do about it. You either take the setups or you're just too scared to take the setups. One or the other. Fucking annoying. Just drop. Stops at 706-ish. There he goes. A good rejection here. Yeah, this is just pure fucking manipulation here. Something's gonna have to give. This shit's every single fucking day. Motherfucker, dude. I'm about to close a trade. I'm not going to take a full stop loss. Trade's
Order
closed.
filled.
Let the games and fuckeries begin all over.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, here we go with all the games and fuckery. All the games and fuckery. Here it comes. Here comes the games and fuckeries. Here it comes. Here it
Order
goes. See?
filled.
Oh my god, dude. You can't do a fucking thing. Nothing. Can't do anything. Cannot do anything. Nothing. Whipsawing. So many fucking ticks. Everything is whipsawed so bad. I mean, do you see any gaps here? Like, there is none. Every high and every low is taken out. You can't. You have to risk
Order
fucking
filled.
everything to get one trade. Here we go. Here we go again.
Order filled.
And break even hit again. Whipsaw, whipsaw everything, whipsaw everything. Yep. All it's gonna do. No gaps allowed. No breaks allowed. You fools. Why would you think we would let you do that, you fools? They won't let anything happen. I mean, look, there's no gaps anywhere. Everything is being filled. Everything. No gaps. No gaps.
Order filled.
See, here we go. Here we go. This is going to come take this low and not let you fucking get any money out of it. Yep. Here we go. Watch. And then if you buy that, it's going to come take that low. There's nothing I can do about this. I'm just going to be done for the day already. That's what we're going to do. Just one loss and that's it. We're done. It's pissing me off. 685. $7.95. Yep. It won't let us do anything. It won't let us do anything. It's going absolutely nowhere. Look at that. See this right here, dude? This is the shit I'm talking about. You can't. What are you supposed to do with it? You literally have to put your stop loss way the fuck down here if you want to do anything. Here we go.
Order filled.
Well, there's a win right there, finally. 25 to our way to 250. Yeah, he's right. How many ticks of MNQ does it take to get 25 bucks? But see, look at if you were to buy this close over the high, look, man, fuck, swing down. Oh, shit. And then if you buy the low, it fucking wow, like buy. I all these people like, man, you got to buy the low. Okay, all right, cool, bro. This is what happens when you buy the low. See this? See? Here you go. Look, guys. Wave, and then you get a nice wick, and then a green candle that closes over the previous one. Everybody in the world bought this, and look at it dumped. That ain't the answer. I don't want to hear this shit anymore. $25 to 250, 10 times. We can do that 10 times. We could do that 10 times. Let me figure out ATMs. Or we'll run a trail that puts it right there in case it does go more. Just go break even at $25. $25. I can't believe I'm talking about 20. And I've had $10,000 fucking scalps, and I'm talking about making 25. Oh my God. Fucking stupid. here is the rejection. Oh,
Order
great.
filled.
Boom, boom. 855. This one for now. What was that? Target down here. $241. No, 260 would be safer. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me, right? Why are you just drop? Yacht. Yacht. And 12. 15. Come on, you fucker. Dump. Dump fast. You want it. You want it fast. Fast. Go down. Go down faster. I don't know why these damn lines are on. I don't want these lines. Other people like them. I don't like. It's clutter. Cause clutter. Well, dump faster. There we go. Come on. Boom, boom. Come on, Sabrine. Make it go down faster. Do it. We need to get some conversations going on in here. Here, y'all. Y'all join this thing and talk. Talk. What's up?
Oh, what's going on there? This is brutal.
Drop faster.
And you know that the drops used to be fast. It used to creep going
Yeah.
up, but
Now
it's
it's like
like
fast up and creep down. This right here would be like, damn, shoom. Be like, yeah, day's over. See y'all later. Now
Right.
it's just like la la la. I might go down, I might not. I don't know. See what we're gonna do. I feel like it. I feel like it. Here we go. Here's some momentum. Come on. Drop. Drop all the way to TP. Profit thing should trigger at 500. Start triggering. Stop throwing shit at me. You're shooting me with a Nerf gun? I'm buying Nerf guns off Amazon right now. You're fucked. Nerf gun. I need like 1,000 round repeater. Fucking, we're gonna have Nerf wars. What? You want lunch? Well, I'm in a trade, but I am just gonna let it run, so I could just go make lunch. Fuck it. Right?
Well, if you do make lunch, it'd be nice if you put a stop loss so at least have profit.
Right?
I will say that I'm experiencing potentially slippage between uh, using this new trade copier.
It only allows for 10 ticks, so it can't be much. What are you getting? Oh, wait, I think that's what I have it set to. Yeah, go ahead. I'm just looking at my own stuff for it.
No, yeah. So what's happening is like even between my and I guess it's my own system for that, but between my sim and my actual account using the Replicano part of it, right? It's not, accurate there. And then there's like right now you're what is that like one? Well, I know it's moving right now, but like 130. I'm like 113. So
Oh,
to kind of
well, yeah, it's gonna give it.
Yeah.
So I got it. I think it's set. There's a setting in here to like set to
Was there a reason why we had to move off of Replicano?
Replicano sucks, and it was costing me $200-300 a day to use it.
Oh, I didn't realize it was costing that much to use a day. I apologize.
No, it's all right, but there's so many issues. There were so many issues. Sending it in over the internet. Is it like from everybody, like just random? It was just random, but there were so many issues. The tickage is set to 10, so the slippage is set to 10, so it will allow the trade to go through if it's 10 ticks from when I've sent it to when you get it. Based on slippage or your price. So when it gets to you, if it's out of 10, it won't even trigger. So yeah, 130 to 113. That's actually better than most of what Replicano was sending out. Some people I'd be up 180 and they would only be up like $90. Right?
I'll be honest with you. When you were doing it previously, it seemed better, but I understand also why you went to this based on what you've just said. So understood.
I guess it just depends on like where people are located too, right? If they're located in
I'm using the VPS when I have you do all of it, so
right.
that's just what I've I'm not having it use my personal workstation for it.
Right.
So that's just my feedback based on that. That's all. Nothing more.
Okay.
But even from my sim, right, which is what I have the setup to my actual account, the first trade this morning was off. This one seems pretty accurate right here, running about the same.
What was? Can you send me your entry from this morning so I can kind of look at the logs?
Sure.
I want to compare them. I haven't really been able to do that yet.
Let's just say like the first one it had just for data purposes, right? First one had a negative 45 for the sim, but it was negative 123 for the live.
Was there a contract change? Was it different, the contracts?
No. Same thing. Because I have it going right to my sim, and then I have it going,
Right.
kind of one for one. Yep. So, just sharing.
I wonder if Replicano is delaying. No, because there's other options for the local copiers. There's the affordable indicators one, but I wonder if Replicano is delaying the trade or the trade copies, because I've had that issue happen before. So I'd be running like 10 accounts, right? And when I run my Tradeify accounts as a leader, all of my followers are fucked. But if I reverse it, they're right. If I use another account as a leader and run Tradeify as a follower, then they're all pretty much matching. I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah, again, I'm
Try
pointing it out. I'm not.
Well, I want to fix it. Like, I want to try to like get the best way possible. Maybe try on one of the days setting your your leader account is not a sim as an actual account and see if it's better. Right?
Yeah, that's definitely an option.
Looks like we got the trade right here. Keep dropping. I don't want to see no freaking stupid retracements. Just go.
It's nicely going down, and then next thing you know it, right? Or get this
1,000 tick fucking
whip up.
like, whoa. Here we are. We're at these lows. So this is where we could run into some distance here. I'm hoping it uses it to sell. Sell. Push through the low. I mean, point A to point B, ignore in between, right? Except when it whipsaws 1,000 ticks. That's kind of like not ignorable. Like, what just happened? There is a pivot at 473. I should mark that out. Get going to consolidation around there. Somewhere we're expecting consolidation.
You think your first trade was at like 9:02 Eastern?
I can tell you
Sound about right?
exactly. I can tell you exactly when it was. Hold on.
Yep. I just want to give you the data. That's all.
Trades. The first one. Oh, God. I had my testing ones are a lot shown in here. Is that this 10 sound right? No.
9:02 Eastern.
No, I didn't take a trade before open. 10:02. It'd be 9:02 Central. Yeah, 10:01:19 at the price.
This one's on Central Time. I
Yep.
apologize.
All right.
That's my mistake.
The entry price is around 18,645.
Yeah, I got 18. I'll send it. I'll send it. Where do you want me to send it to?
Message it to me.
You got it. Direct.
Yep. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem, man. Happy to help.
I wonder if I might be wrong. The 10 might be 10 points instead of 10 ticks as slippage. I need to ask them that actually.
Okay.
Because I don't want to, if it's 10 points off, I would rather you not get the trade if it's going to be that far off. You know what I mean? Especially if they're scalps. That's why you have that setting in there though. If something happens, it just doesn't give it to you. And now, is that from the trade? Is that from Lumens, or is that from going from Replicano Lumens to Replicano to?
No, that's my sim one. So that would have been the one that would have been gotten from you.
Okay, all right. I'm going to send this to him and see what he says here. The exit was 595, so that's close. But that's you shouldn't have even been able to get that. Yeah, send that right now.
No problem.
What's your ID? Your
Yep, 1 second. I'll tell you. I know what you're asking. 2281.
what was it?
2281.
281. Wait, that was the profitable one. The one that was $100, right? One of them.
I was negative.
There was an 18604 entry that was a loss.
I mean, I can give you.
Here, I'm going to show you my log real quick. You can see it. There you go. You can try and compare it right there real quick.
I might have missed the, I might have missed specifically which one it was. But let me look. So I do think so I actually did get that same entry on the second one of it being the 18604. I can't see on my end what the exit was. Let me try to find that better. Actually, I probably should just give you my log, right?
Yeah.
Probably
Yeah.
better. Now that we're chatting about it more. It's executions, right? Is that that one?
Trades. If you're using Ninja Trader, it'd be the option would be trades.
I don't have trades as a tab on the bottom.
No, you go to new, then trader performance, and at the top it says display summary. You can click there and then click on trades. Or executions does the same thing. Actually, I never even really tried to use that. Okay, just shows the order ID and everything.
Here we go. I'll give you all this. This will be very helpful. Yeah, it's actually significant different. But, you know, one step at a time.
What are they doing now? Jesus fucking Christ. Here we go again. It's never going to stop. Right. So we got
By the way, Cowboy, this one might run up right now pretty big.
all right.
I was looking at the 5-minute on.
You got, if you want to close it, close it. I'm letting it run.
Just give me a heads up. There it is. Never mind. It's coming down.
I gotta say, like, I'm looking at a 15-minute chart and a 5-minute. This shit is bearish as shit. Like, and we're at the bottom of the orb. If it comes up through the orb and goes out the top, now I just fucking quit, dude.
Both say the 1 hour looks like it's maybe doing a bull flag, but I could be wrong. And the 4 hour too, but you never know with this market, right?
Could be, but it hasn't hit any pockets of liquidity to. I mean, you got the gap in the hour candle.
Hey, you know way more about this than I do. I'm just
Well, there's
right now.
there's a pocket sitting at 216, 229.
You're saying 18 or 19? When you're
18.
Yeah. Okay.
But there's, I mean, we've seen some crazy ass shit the last couple of days. They could do whatever the hell they want to do.
Oh, we know.
Like yesterday, let me ask a question. I want to ask the world this. Who was selling into that 5,000 tick buy? Where did that liquidity come from?
I don't know.
Just randomly, all of a sudden, there was like a couple $1 trillion in sales going when the market's been in a bear run. Man, that tells me something crazy happened today. something like with the Fed or something, central banks. I mean, I hate to go fucking break even on this. Hit it and turn right around and have to find another entry again. But so we can trail the zones here. 705. All the way down, all the way back up, dude. You can't trade this shit, man. I'm just gonna give up for the week, dude. Can't.
Yeah, because that beacon line on the chart that you shared last night, it's green.
Yeah, it turned green.
That's the one you say we do the bot with, right?
Yep.
That we yeah.
Here we are into the 2 hour and 45-minute zones. It blows up through them.
It might fire down now, as you can see on your screen.
Would be a decent add-in point, but if it's still going bearish. It's gonna slingshot down or up right here, one or the other. I can already see the volume coming in. And that means that this 15-minute candle is just running sideways. Double bottomed. Can't believe she bought a Nerf gun and shooting me with it. I'm gonna buy one now. I'm gonna get this 10 blasters, 20 darts. What?
Get one of those battery powered ones that shakes a magazine of like 30.
Yeah. The laser on it.
Power.
Automatic. Here we go. Toy gun automatic sniper rifle with tactical vest. Oh, here's the mags one right here. Oh shit. It does. It's got mags and a USB charger. What? What the fuck? Man, they didn't have this stuff. They didn't have this when I was a kid. Add the cart, and I'm gonna get 2 of them. One for kids. We're gonna shoot the hell out of her.
They make money off the consumables because you never find those darts if your dogs don't eat all of them.
Right. I think this is still dropping. I'm just feeling some pain on the basements here. Maybe we'll see. This 5-minute candle right here is going to tell us all, because it started to create an order block. If it creates an imbalance after the order block, it's usually pretty valid. It'll go up and then come down and turn it into a breaker block if you're going to keep going down. It's crashing down pretty hard. Proceed to check out. Place order. Oh, she's screwed. I got 2 of them. Got clips with freaking automated. Come on. Just keep dropping. You do it. Don't you do it. You do that. Don't you do it, man. You keep dropping. Oh yeah, we're good, I think. We are good. Oh yeah. No, we just need just another half more of this down and we hit our $500 goal. The thing will lock in the profit lock. If it dips below 450 or 50, I think, what do I got to set at? It'll just close the trade. What is it set at here? Minimum 278 once it hits 500. Then I got 300 minimum profit trigger with a 50% trail. So once it hits 300 total profit, it's not the trade profit, total profit, but it's unrealized. So once it gets up, trailing the profit lock. These, look at the 15-minute candles now. Oh, this is about to drop like a brick. Come on. Come on. I got messages somewhere. Oh, this. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Here we go, man. This is why everybody not using this indicator is crazy, man. We just wicked the 2-hour end cap here and waited for the momentum down and entered the trade. Look at that. It is just like, oof, 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 oof. It doesn't get any better than that. Oh, it does not. See, if we would have just got this entry and knock out and screwed on the first one, we'd already be at $300. You 10 accounts, that's $3,000 a day. See, with one micro, you're only risking one micro. Oh my God. Bouncing off end caps. Come on, baby. Let's drop. Droppy, droppy, drop. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop, drop. Zone to zone. Zone to zone. Coming up to this pivot point, that's the only place that I can see right now that's going to give us some hell. It's going to cause some consolidation at
How do you
473.
identify the pivot point?
I'm using a pivot point calculator indicator,
Okay. Gotcha.
and but it's just a formula that puts in there and it gives it to you. It's just called pivot points. It's just standard indicator. Standard one from TradingView. Droppity drop, drop, droppity drop, drop. Oh god, we just had a 45-minute end cap just get created. New 45-minute candle. I hope we don't get a wild retracement. If we do, I'm closing. I'm not going to let it retrace all the way to the entry again. Hoping it just dumps. We could put our stop at 566. That's where the new zone is. 568.50. The beacon line crashes through it. Let me switch screens so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. You got to pay attention to that beacon line. The beacon line is badass. So if this beacon line crashes through this zone here, closes below the zone, put your stop loss right there at 567.50, right? That's what I'm going to do. If it retraces up some, I'll give it a little bit to fill like this gap or whatever and come back down, and then I'll start trailing this zone, right? See, same thing on that other chart. The scalping chart. Okay, so we're almost getting through with the beacon line. I'll let everybody else see what I'm talking about too. So the beacon line right here needs to come through, close under this zone. I'll move my stop right here. If not, we're probably going to have a little bit of crap, but it looks like it's crashing pretty good through the pivot point there. And there's where you're going to get. There we go. See that? That's what I'm talking about right there. I'm going to go ahead. Maybe 567.25. Come on. Drop a little bit more. Good. I'm convinced. Stop losses at 567.25. And we're about to tackle this pivot point. Even with our loss earlier, we're almost 400. I could just close this and just be happy with that. What do you guys think? Because if this pivot bounces, it could reject all the way up into here. And, I mean, I really want to get this full trade, but 473. I mean, it could possibly just blow right through it too, but they usually do not. They usually will get a bounce and some retracement. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to trail the zone like I'm supposed to. 546.25. Right there. There's our stop losses at 546.25. Right there, 546 right there. And whatever happens, happens, man. The stop loss is right there. Make it to red. Stop loss. Let's put it to the boom, 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 boom. I don't know what screen you guys are seeing. Oh yeah. Wish I could stream 2 screens at once. I could if I did is it why can't I find it? So it looks like we're gonna smash right through this pivot point. 473.50. Oh, I just wicked it. Our beacon line did crash through the 45-minute zone though, so I'm gonna keep my stop loss right there. Hopefully we don't get any wild retracements like this one already. Stop loss needs to go to 543.50. Ooh, I like this right here. I'm liking what I'm seeing right here. This is looking pretty good. As long as it keeps up. That's a bear flag right there. What do you think about that? Oh,
You
You?
streaming again on TikTok or YouTube? Because we got your echo again.
no.
Really? That's weird. All of a sudden out of the blue, we got an echo.
Oh man.
We're hearing the echo on you. I just heard the echo on you. Oh, and myself.
What the heck?
Right, coming through his speakers.
No, not Cowboy speakers. I didn't hear the echo from Cowboy. I heard it from here from you.
Let me open up my Elgato thing here. Oh, the stream. Oh, you know what?
Look at that push down.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's wicking the pivot, but it's okay. There's gonna be some kind of resistance there. People are buying at it and stuff like that. So, but I'm hoping but we're bear flagging. We definitely just bear flagged. Hopefully it just continues like this. This would be an add-in point, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't really want to. We're gonna hit our daily goals, so as long as we hit our daily goal, we're good. Yeah, that's blowing through the pivot. Come on, push through. We're only $80 away from our daily goal, so see, there's the rejection on it right there. Son of a bitch. I gotta trail down some more here. We're going to ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. 537.25.
Yeah, you just started echoing now. If you change something.
No. I clicked on am I echoing right now?
Yeah.
What the hell?
It was a little bit.
I'm not even doing anything now. I was dragging my stop loss down.
There's definitely something. It's not normal.
And you're echoing as well, sir.
Okay, so it's the Discord feed. How about, can you say something? Hello?
Hello,
Yes.
hello, hello.
Yes.
I'm just kidding.
Hello.
Right.
Echoing.
Are you
Yeah, On
echoing?
my side, everybody's echoing.
It's a faint second echo.
I wonder if you're hearing it through my headphones, if it's picking it up. There's no way though. I have like noise canceling and all that shit. I don't know. I'll figure it out, man. It's stupid. I get it. Gotta be.
It only happens once in a while, though. That's why I asked if you were restreaming.
No.
Maybe it is your headphones.
Yeah.
Turn your headphones down for a second, see if it changes. Yeah, it's gone now. Oh, no, barely can hear it now.
Okay, now try. Move far away from the mic.
I'm going to keep talking. Yeah, I still hear it a little bit for myself. I'm back.
Wonder. What about now?
I don't hear you. And I only hear myself.
The echo was really bad.
I don't think there is an echo now.
Okay.
Actually, I hear myself, but not you echoing.
Okay, so
All good.
no, I gotta fix it. Output, input, stream, output. Yeah, correct. What the? What? We're at 443 with that one loss.
I thought you were at 5. Oh, sorry. I was just looking at
Yeah, we took a loss on this one, so I got to make that up too. This is still going. I'm not even worried about this trade anymore. It's down below the pivot point, dropping down. Yeah. We just need just a little bit more, like 20 more bucks, and we could close it and hit 500 gold. There you go. There it is right there.
Filled.
Boom. Guess what just happened? Cross trade. Cross trade just closed the trade at our profit goal. That is amazing.
Congratulations, everyone.
That is amazing. Hey, well, there you go. Look at that. 500 bucks. Let's just do this little simple trade every day and multi-prop them, and you're good. There you go. I'm done. I'm not risking it. With one micro, guys.